For Skybox to be the next big step in TP-less monopile platforms, it must offer both significant cost savings as well as an effortless installation. From the ground up, Skybox has been designed to be installed by all types of installation vessels, without the need for welded brackets on the monopile. This increases MP production output, enables further optimization of the MP for drivability, and thus keeps costs down. But what if we can make Skybox even more economically attractive by integrating the temporary cover and the internal platform, allowing all three to be installed simultaneously with a single lift? This concept is what we call our one-lift philosophy, and we believe it is essential in our mission to keep offshore wind turbine foundations as cost-effective as they can be. Our installation process starts onshore at the marshalling yard with a temporary cover. To ensure easy installation, we have created a method to help align the Skybox external platform onto the monopile using the temporary cover as guidance. The temporary cover is lifted and placed over the internal platform. Next, the Skybox is placed over the temporary cover that now also holds the internal platform. When this package is attached to the lifting tool, designed by Dutch heavy lift consultants, everything is ready to be picked up by the installation vessel. Here's where we see our one-lift philosophy in action. With a single lift, the Skybox, along with the internal platform and temporary cover, is placed onto the monopile. This method combines the weight of these three components to ensure steady movement. To guide the Skybox onto the monopile, we've integrated retractable guiding fingers inside the temporary cover. These extend to ensure proper placement of the installation tool on the monopile. Once the temporary cover is in place, the Skybox is lowered onto the monopile at the intended elevation. The guiding fingers then retract, allowing the internal platform to be lowered into its position inside the monopile. After installation, the temporary cover is designed to accommodate the cable pull-in winch, eliminating the need for an additional external tripod. Now the placement of the Skybox platform, with addition of the internal platform and temporary cover, is completed. We look forward to going offshore when our demonstrator is going to show our one-lift technology, one step closer to making offshore wind energy as economical as possible. Skybox, the next step in TP-less technology.